And Greg Fields with us at the desk. And Greg, if you step outside today, you're not going to quite feel it yet.
You won't feel it yet, but you will. Maybe tomorrow afternoon we'll start to feel it, and we're going to have these temperatures finally getting to what we would expect and what everyone is looking for and wants for October. It's going to feel a whole lot like it here over the next couple of days. But let's get you on out this morning. Had that patchy fog around this morning, but it was very patchy, and it has given way to mostly sunny skies out there for you right now, taking you out to the UNT campus. Southeast winds at 70 degrees out there for you right now. And as you come back over to DBU, more of the same, plenty of sunshine out there, back up to 71. Those southeast winds there at 13. So we're going to be in that 10, maybe 15 mile per hour range with the temperatures as we get into the afternoon. Still some upper 60s as you get out to Weatherford. You're at 66 right now, but those low 70s coming over to Rockwall at 72, 70 heading out to Plano and Wiley here late this morning. Now, we did have that fog hanging in a little farther south and west here this morning, but I think now the sky is becoming mostly sunny, and we'll warm into the low mid 80s out towards Stephenville and our western counties out toward Eastland as well, but upper 70s to around 80, I think, elsewhere around as we head over to Dallas, Fort Worth, maybe hitting 80 degrees. We'll have those upper 70s for Denton and McKinney later today, too. So above normal, that normal high 74, but things are about to change across North Texas with those temperatures. Now, we'll see the mostly sunny skies out there today. The low clouds still hanging in a little farther south, but again, plenty of sunshine. We'll keep it dry today. Now, for tomorrow, can't rule out a few isolated to scattered showers around, mainly in our northeastern counties here as we go through the early part of tomorrow, heading into the afternoon. Here comes the front. Late morning, early afternoon, the front's going to begin to move over the Red River, sweeping through during the afternoon hours. You'll notice the difference. It will turn sharply cooler. Those winds really going to kick up behind the front as well. We'll have some very gusty winds, maybe getting up to around 40 miles per hour at times as well. And those temperatures will be falling as we head into Tuesday afternoon for us, probably getting back down into the 50s as we head late into the afternoon and early evening. So we'll have those highs today in the upper 70s. The front blows through tomorrow, still going to be in the low 70s, maybe out ahead of that front. But then we will see those daytime highs only in the low 60s as we get into a Wednesday, 64 or so on Thursday. Then we'll warm back up as we head toward Halloween there on Friday, getting back into the upper 60s. So it does get kind of chilly. Those overnight lows are going to be down in the low and mid 40s. The other story, not only the temperatures, but those winds. They will be quite gusty behind the front as we'll have some winds gusting to near 40 miles per hour, I think, by tomorrow afternoon, and we're going to be in that 30 to 35 mile per hour range as we get into a Wednesday. Winds much lighter as we head on into Thursday and Friday. That will be some good news if you're heading out for that Halloween forecast. We'll have some mid-40s on Friday morning, and then those highs getting back into the upper 60s with those south winds at around 5 to 10. So not a bad looking evening as we head toward Friday. Now, we're going to be talking a lot more about Melissa. Hurricane Melissa, very dangerous, strong, powerful Category 5 hurricane just south and west of Jamaica right now with those winds gusting to 200 miles per hour. We'll talk more in detail about this as we go through the day, but it's going to make landfall probably as a Category 5 hurricane moving across Jamaica as we head into late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then moving across southern Cuba as well as maybe a Category 2 or 3 hurricane, and still maintaining that hurricane strength even late this week as it moves over Bermuda. So we'll talk more in detail about this as we go through the day. But in the meantime, here's that 14-day forecast for you as we are looking at weather alert days. Because of those winds and the sharp drop in temperatures, we'll have wind chills in the 30s, maybe Wednesday and Thursday mornings. So just keep that in mind. It is going to be a bit on the cool side for us, but nice as we head toward Halloween there on Friday. And then as we fall back over the weekend, we'll see those temperatures getting back into the 70s for us. It warms up even a little bit more for the second half of that 14-day forecast as we'll be back into the upper 70s. All right, Mark, back to you.